What's up, athletes? I welcome you to this 15-minute chest and triceps workout by KeoFit. This is Rahul Shetty here, and I'm going to guide you through these exciting super fun mixed workouts. I am excited to bring you these 5 handpicked movements that will do wonders for your chest and triceps. I will be performing all of them for 45 seconds each with a 15 seconds break in between. The best part is that you just need a pair of dumbbells and you can perform all these workout movements anywhere, especially from the comfort of your homes. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching this video, join me through these home workouts movements that will make sure that you will feel amazing at the end of this workout. Without any delay, let's begin our workout. Alright guys, moving on to our first movement, we have dumbbell floor press, which is going to target your chest. I will set this movement for you. You're going to lie down on your back, your shoulders pressing onto the ground. Starting from here, you're going to get the weight right above your chest. From here, you're going to perform the movement. From here, you're going to get the weight all the way down. Your elbows not in line with your shoulders, slightly tucking inside. From here, you're going to press the weight up and squeeze your chest. You're going to perform this movement for 45 seconds. Yeah, let's begin in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Starting right above your chest. From here, bring the weight all the way down, elbows partially touching the floor and then up. Keep going for 45 seconds, controlling the movement, controlling your weight. Come on guys, let's go. Squeeze your chest when you bring the weight up. What a great movement to start with. Working on building stronger chest with a pair of dumbbell. Getting a stronger workout. Come on guys, as many reps as possible for 45 seconds. Bring in those reps. Keep moving. Almost there. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1 and we are done. Wow, what a great movement to start with. Alright guys, let's move on to a second movement, which is diamond push-ups, which is going to target your chest and triceps. And now, the points, the key areas, your palm stays just below your shoulder. You're going to form a diamond shape here. You're going to get into that high plank position. You're going to bring your chest all the way down, come up and squeeze your triceps. Yeah, we're going to perform this movement for 45 seconds, getting as many reps as possible. Alright guys, let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Slow and nice controlled movement. Right after your lying down chest press, hitting the diamond push-up makes the movement most challenging, effective. Stay focused for 45 seconds. Keep moving, hitting as many reps as possible. Breathing. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you come up. Very important. Few more seconds, last 3, 2, 1 and we are done. Wow, that was a solid burn I'm getting on my chest and triceps. Alright guys, let's move on to a third movement, which is dumbbell overhead tricep extension, which is going to target your triceps. What a powerful movement, what a great workout just having a pair of dumbbell. Starting from here, your palm facing the ceiling. You're going to keep your elbows tucking inside. You're going to bring the weight all the way down and up, extending your elbows, squeezing your triceps. Do not flare out your elbows. Try keeping your elbows tucking in as much as you can. Yeah, we will perform this movement for 45 seconds, getting as many reps as possible. Alright guys, let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, hitting as many, count your reps for 45 seconds, engaging your triceps. Do not flare out your elbows. Keep your elbows close to your ears, engaging those triceps. already feel the burn right after the diamond push-up. Hitting the same muscle makes the movement more effective. Come on, let's finish this strong. Few more seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are done. Wow, what a great movement. I already feel the burn. Imagine in the first round itself. All right, guys, without any delay, let's move on to the fourth movement, which is lying down pullovers, which is gonna target your lower chest and your triceps. So guys, for this movement, see if you have a stepper or maybe a bumper plate or something to perform this movement. You can rest your upper back and head on the stepper. From here, you're going to hold the weight this way, keeping your elbows softly bent. You're going to bring the weight all the way back and then forward. Reset in the same position. You're going to perform this movement for 45 seconds, targeting our lower chest and triceps. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Lift your hip up. Head and upper back resting on the ground. From here, all the way back. Do not drop the weight on the ground, and then back again. Keep going, hitting as many reps as possible. What a great workout. We are at the fourth movement. All the way back and then up. All the way back, keeping your elbows bent, and then up. Keep moving. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow. Wow. We just got done with the 4 good movements. All right, guys. Before we move on to the last movement, I invite you onto the CureFit app and try out our CureFit Live. Here you can work out with many more trainers like me who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you have downloaded the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Alright guys, let's move on to the fifth movement, which is close grip dumbbell presses, which is going to target your triceps and chest. Back again, lying down on the ground. In this movement, you're going to tuck your elbows completely inside. From here, your lower back pressing onto the floor. You're going to bring the weight all the way up, squeezing your chest and triceps. Back again. Keep going for 45 seconds. Yeah? Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Count your reps. 2. Squeeze your chest. Squeeze your triceps. If you want to make it challenging, if you have an heavier weight, you can increase the weight to perform the movement. Maybe the first round you can just take it easy and slow, get comfortable with the movements, hitting as many reps as possible. I feel the burn on my chest, guys. I'm sure you are feeling it there too. Come on. Keep your wrist tight, keep your wrist strong, control the movement, control your weights. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Whoa! What a great workout and powerful movement to build a stronger chest and triceps, guys. Alright guys, we are done with this home workout. Add this to your personal playlist and come back and do this workout 4 to 5 times a week for a month. You can repeat these rounds of the workout and perform 3 to 5 rounds to increase the intensity. This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers, guys.